Oh yeah, what a good decision to choose this road.
Hello.
Hi. Monkeys attacking. Look. Oh no. Oh no.
Alright, I stayed the night in Gundlupet because it was raining yesterday from 3 p.m. till I think 8 p.m. or something like that, and I didn't really want to ride in the rain through the national park, so we're doing that today and I'm ready to go now.
Alright, first gasoline. It's good. Thank you. Off to Ooty, 70 kilometers and 2 hours. Hello. Bandipur Tiger Reserve. That's the entrance. Welcome to the Tiger Reserve. I heard from a lot of people that I will for sure see an elephant here. Like 80% chance. Let's see if I will really see animals here. Hopefully, I really hope so. Elephant zone. They're not responsible if they attack me. Of course they're not. It's my responsibility. Elephant. Somebody was riding on the elephant. Did you see that? Pretty nice. I saw my first elephant here in India. Babies. Oh, elephant. Nice. Wow, they're huge, and I thought it's a reserve. That means that animals are basically free, right? But no, they were in chains. Okay, that kind of makes me sad now. From now on, I don't want to see elephants anymore. I just want to see free monkeys roaming around. No animals in chains. But I saw them. I really wanted to see elephants. I saw animals. Elephants. I saw elephants and it made me sad. So huge, beautiful and intelligent creatures. It would be even better if I really want to see wild animals to book a safari. So I'm sitting in a jeep, somebody is driving around, they can spot the animals, just tell me where they are to look at them if they're far away, and maybe it would be better to do it like that. Look, there's an elephant as well, chained to a tree. Oh, they're elephants too. 2 of them. And people sitting next to them, chains around. My goodness. Okay. It must be so nice for the kids to grow up with a lot of wild animals and elephants. They for sure already saw a tiger in their life. For me, something special, and for them, super normal probably. I would love to grow up like this. Elephant! I didn't see any chains. Okay, that makes me happy now. That makes me absolutely happy. Nice. Okay, wow, what a life, what a life. Even though I share my honest opinion, it doesn't mean that I don't appreciate that I'm able to ride through India right now and to ride through a national park. I don't take it for granted. And look where I am. Like, can it be more beautiful? I don't think so. I love this ride. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Oh, I just hopped from one tiger reserve to another. A lot of restaurants are closed because they cannot get any gas anymore. So it's actually for me on my travel right now hard to find a restaurant which is still open. Open? Hi. Is it open?
This is open.
Yeah.
Parking. Am I helping?
I'm good. Thank you.
Coffee break with a nice view. So So I used the time here in a cafe to do some research about the elephants here. Yes, the 2 national parks I've been riding through, they are animals which live free, all of them actually, except of these elephants I saw in chains. These are so-called camp elephants or working elephants. That means that they belong to the forest departure there. So they basically use these elephants for monitoring, for patrols, and for dealing with wild elephants who, I don't know, who were aggressive, accidentally went into a village. So they use the elephants to lead them out of the village again without hurting them. So what do we learn about that? Do some research first and then judge, right? Some people still say it's not a good thing to train them in chains, but you can decide on your own if it's a good thing or not. Oh, and they use the elephants for patrols because sometimes motorcycles or jeeps cannot drive through the dense jungle. So they use elephants. Even if they're sitting on the elephants, they're higher. So it kind of protects them from other wild animals to be attacked.
And we're back on the road. These jeeps look so cool. But I have to admit that my dream car would be a Ford Raptor, but I could never afford it. Alright, we're in Gudalur and it's 52 kilometers to Ooty. Busy, busy, busy. Traffic, traffic. I'm happy I'm not in traffic. Goat. Welcome to Nilgiris. I can go? I can go? Okay. I thought he was like, stop, stop, but no. Misunderstandings with international body language. And we're back at the tea plantations! Wow, we're riding again through Wonderland. Tea plantations are like mountains. I cannot get enough of this view. Any combination, mountain and tea plantation? Wow, wow. Oh yeah, what a good decision to choose this road. Look at this huge eucalyptus trees. What is that? Overtake if you want to. Hi! Wow, they're so huge. This is insane. Coming to you, monkey. Don't feel disturbed. I just want to see the view. Acting like a model. As you already maybe figured out that I'm a nature person. So if you want to recommend me cities, don't do that because I will skip them. I want to see hidden places nobody is talking about. I most of the time skip the tourist places. If you maybe follow me since the Philippine Loop, you figured out that I did the Philippine Loop and I skipped all the most tourist islands. So you can recommend me places nobody knows about, but don't recommend me cities, please. Sorry to say that. Look at this road now. I cannot wait to ride it. That's fantastic. Welcome to Naduvattam. Look at this. That's the picnic lake here. That's exactly why I love to ride my motorcycle through countries, because you pass places like that. And you can just stop. You can just stop.
Hello.
Hi.
Where is he coming?
Coming from Austria?
Australia.
Austria.
Austria.
Yeah.
Now,
Going to Ooty?
I'm going to Ooty.
Oh yeah, I'm going to Ooty as well.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Name?
Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
My name is Rinu.
Rino. Nice to meet you, Rino.
Thank you.
Okay. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to fly the drone here. So somebody came and he was like, fine, fine, fine. And I was like, okay, I will fly the drone back. And then he left. So I think I'm good to go, right? Sorry. Okay. He was just telling me that I could get a fine. Good. Not allowed to fly the drone here. For you to know, for me it's already too late. Still, they're so nice here. Even if they want to fine you, they're super, super nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Very, very pretty. What a crazy beautiful road. You have the perfect view everywhere. You're riding through eucalyptus forests, you're passing lakes, you have wonderful, wonderful tarmac, you have amazing curves, some hairpins. What a dream. Look at this. I think there's now just one little town after another. Look, all these little shops are closed. What you want, what you're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shape me, yo. Whoa. Oppa, sorry.
Coming 100 back or one route. Beautiful area about Ooty, going to Ooty.
Like if I go back, there is a nice route.
5-6 kilometers. Going to 6 kilometers or 1 kilometer just.
Okay, I will check if there is another route.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I see. It's like at the Hunger Tea Garden. Yeah, but I'm going there because I want to go to the pine forest.
Okay.
Okay. Oi, monkey is attacking. Look, look, look. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah, he wanted food. Good job, monkey. You got food. Bad for the people. Poor kids. They're traumatized forever. What kind of trees are these? And it smells really amazing, like a typical forest smell. Excuse me. Thank you. Looks so different than all the other trees. And the landscape as well. Wow. And a lot of sheep. Look at the sheep. Oh my goodness. All right, I guess this guy will follow me forever. Maybe he just wants to be in my vlog. They look a little bit like that trees, but then there's still leaves on it. Never saw something like that. I think I have to stop that you can see it better. Do you see all these closed shops behind me? They're all closed because of gas. They don't have gas. There's just one shop open with a woman. Imagine your source of income is a shop like that and you have to close because you don't have gas. Super, super difficult. Pine forest. Oh, you can just walk through the forest here. Okay. Okay. Cuties. Okay. I will keep walking through the pine forest. Too much people. And another lake here. Look how peaceful it looks like. Talakunda. Super cute village. Alright, welcome to the city of Ooty. That's a bad spot to stand here. You cannot park here. Chocolate museum. Wow, there is like one shop after another, which is like super interesting. It feels like it has 15 degrees here. Ooty is actually pretty famous for woolen clothes. So you can buy a lot of good and quality clothes here made out of wool. Oh, welcome to colorful Ooty. Look how colorful it is. Wait, I will zoom in for you. Alright, while I was standing here, I searched for a hostel or guest house there somewhere and I booked it. Let's go there. Reflections. Okay, we're here. That looked so cute. Okay, nice. Arrived in my hotel. The room is not that special, right? It's beautiful, it's clean. Bathroom is not that special. It's fine. But the view. The view from my bed out of the window. Ha! And you go out. You have a little balcony and you have this view. I love it. If I have electricity, if I have Wi-Fi, and if I have hot water in the morning for my coffee, that's everything I need. But the view is the most important thing for me. Or not even the view. Okay, not the view, but at least place where you can sit outside in peace. That's important. Okay, I will go to eat something now. And maybe I will take you with me. Maybe not. But I will end this video for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. And see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, it got pretty cold and I figured out why, because I am on 2,213 meter altitude or 7,261 feet. That's super high. I thought, I don't know, I thought we have like 1,500 meters altitude or something like that, but no. Okay, now I will say bye. Bye-bye.